don't need me no more, right?
Nope, we're all good. I got all your information.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, James. I'm just going to read your rights real quick, okay?
Are you placing me on the arrest?
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer my questions or make any statements.
I understand.
All right. So what happened today?
I literally was just, they were on lunch and
what kind of fire?
It was like, Firecracker, you get at the store, that's all.
Okay. It's a. Is there any?
I'm so sorry to cause any harm to him. He's my friend.
Or?
Like, I honestly, what's that?
Do you play like that with him often, or like that?
No. Honestly, I've never tossed the firecracker. Yeah, I've never done that. And I don't even prank him or anything. And I don't dislike him. He's a good friend of mine. Like, literally, he used to work for me quite often on the weekends. We do work together. Like, we go back for 2 years working here. Obviously I'll never do that again.
Did you throw it directly at him?
No, because look, he had the entire tractor covering him. Like, because if you, like, where they're stacking the grass, he has an entire metal wall and everything. And so it was, you know, I absolutely not throw it at him, no. But you know, it was like in the area where it's going to be loud, and I apologize. I didn't think it was a huge deal, but obviously it was.
Yeah, he's got a good mark on him. So, and he's got ringing in his left ear.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. I understand.
All right.
I literally, it would never ever happen again. I don't have a problem with him. It wasn't vindictive, like trying to be violent. I mean, I'm so sorry. I swear to God.
All right. Well, we're gonna have to take a ride just for what happened today. So I'm gonna have to turn around, and put your hands behind your back. Besides the knife, is it the only thing you have on you?
Feet apart.
I'm sorry. Just the knife. You got anything that's gonna poke me or stick me?
Well, what's the charge?
I'll get all that in a second, alright? Just so you're understanding.
Charge is destructing it. Throwing a destructive device.
You can start
Causing bodily harm. He's not too happy, man. He says you guys don't joke like that.
Well, yeah, I mean, I've never
Dibble.
thrown a firecracker.
Mike, typically.
And it wasn't even like, that's where it was even fit in. You guys there.
I have to adjust this one. Sorry, these are newer still.
Oh, was that M80 or like, what was it? You buy it or make it?
No.
Where'd you get it? Store-bought firecracker?
It's just, where's the...
knife is right there.
Do you have any more of the firecrackers?
It was literally just that one.
You can't take the knife, Joe. I'm gonna put it in the truck, alright?
We're gonna go back here. I'm gonna search you. Is that alright? Go ahead and face away from me.
How'd you put some glove on that?
Yeah, it's in the trunk. It's in the trunk. Yeah. Here, hold on. Thank you. Go ahead, keep facing. Is that just your going here? Alright, spread your feet a little bit more. There you go. Take this. You got. I'm gonna have you kick your boots off. All right? Is there a better way? All right. Go ahead. Sit down. Put this back on.
Huh?
Yeah.
Keep it on the ground. I don't know if I can. I usually pull up on that part. I don't think I can do it.
Go ahead, kick it up for me then.
If you can't get them all, man, we can stop.
Well, I like that.
Once you get in the jail, you're very strong.
We're just gonna throw them in the back. Oh, I didn't check your sock. One second. You see that? More towards this way. I gotta buck you in. Face right here. I'm gonna take these back. Want these in your truck? The sheets?
Yeah.